Hey, good morning, everybody. Bob, Trade Genius, the 13th of June. I want to talk oil with you a little bit of action here, and just the opportunities that are coming from it here is that so last night we had a pretty good sell down from the oil report saying the draws were too high, and that we had a moneymaker buy hit later in the night, and then hit the bottom of the channel, and lo and behold, we had news show up with a quote unquote tanker attack, which is really convenient. But what it did was interesting to us is that it drove it right back to the top of the channel here, and this is an area that you could short it. We had got confirmation, and we indeed shorted it in the morning, and then we got it to sell down to the moving average line here, which is always a good place to cover. Depending on what time frame you use, the 9 moving average is kind of a nice area to take your profit or look for reversals, and then so we took profit here, and then it then we got a bit of a bounce, and then it sold back down again. So you know how to look at this now is that if it pushes back up to this black line here, our view is oil is going to continue to fall. The fundamentals right now and the seasonality are dictating it, and you're just going to get these crazy moves. And I would look at USO as an opportunity. If you go into trade here, you go into USO. If you look out on the 21st, there's a nice 11 to 1150 call spread option. That's a nice little chunk of change here, and right now the price is at 1086, and I think this is probably a pretty good trade, and be something to think about taking if you want to be more on the conservative side. Or you could turn around and put this onto single here, and you look at puts, and you can go out a little bit further, and say you go out 2 weeks, you could look at the 11 puts, and then if it gets to 1050, which it shows that easily can because it was just below there yesterday, is that you're in the profit on this trade already. Or you could do a spread the other way and do buy the 11s and sell the 10, and reduce your cost a little bit, and you have a chance to to turn this into a 50-60 cent profit. So just give you some options here. I think oil is going to go down to the 40s. I think we'll see USO below 10, and before this thing stabilizes, but not without drama. And I'm probably going to wait to do this to probably closer to the end of the day tomorrow, or I might even wait till Monday at this point because they tend to lift oil on Fridays. You don't know what the weekend will hold, and yada yada yada. One of the rules of thumb that I always use is you never short oil or gold going into a weekend, because you just don't know what crazy things are going to happen in this crazy world over the weekend, and those typically get bought. There's very few things where over the weekend you find out that we discovered a mammoth oil field or a mammoth gold field and drives those prices down. It's usually something fear related. But anyway, I just wanted to share that with you. I think there's definitely some opportunities here. So enjoy the volatility. Talk to you later. Bye bye.